I'm going to only crack it off this top right here. I went low. I'm going to go high up here. So I lose line of sight on it.
Alright, so I went to fix my chipping hammer. I ran a bead. I ran a bead on top. I don't know if you can see that, but that's a drill bit. I used a hardened drill bit as my tungsten filler metal. I ran beads on there, so now I'm going to sand it down. And now my tips are going to be hardened. And they won't, well, they'll last a little bit longer. They'll be harder than the actual mild carbon steel that this is made out of. But yeah, that's it. Alright, so I went ahead and sanded down the tip of both after I TIG welded an actual drill bit on the edge, and then I sanded it down using flat disc. So now the tip of my chipping hammer is a lot harder and stronger, so it doesn't dull as much. But yeah, using a regular drill bit to harden the tips.